Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Llama Kyle here live once again. Today is another new keycap reveal. You might not remember that my plan is to have like a koi fish keyboard type of thing going on with some Japanese themes surrounding it. And as you can tell, I already have a few here and there. These ones were kind of ordered by mistake. As you can tell, they weren't right the quite profile. I didn't know at the time it was an SD profile, but now the ones I've ordered now should be more coinciding with this. If not, then I'll just put them up here. But the plan was to have like a little downstream of koi fish down here. That was the kind of plan, to replace all of these dark keys. So let's see what we have in store today. My craft stuff. Wow, similar packaging as the previous. But let's see how we do. If this comes off. Whoa. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute there. Whoa. The colors, I'm not even sure the camera's capturing this pretty well, but the colors are popping. Wow. Not what I was expecting, not gonna lie, but wow. I don't have any gloves on, but my hands are clean. So starting from the left to right here. Let's see what we have here. So right off the bat, we have the proper OEM cherry style keyboards. But man, I'm trying to get this. Using your iPhone camera is sometimes annoying because, come on buddy, zoom in. There we go. Wow. Whoa, very low. You see the fish in there. Very nice. It feels good too. Feels the light. It's a little bit too dark. Not a lot of light might pass through it, to be honest with you, but who knows? You will see in a matter of seconds, hopefully. Wow. Orange, black and white, or a dark bluish tint. Going on to our top notch right here, right off the bat. Whoa. Hello, Mr. What is this? Full on color. Every second of the globe. Oh man, it's really hard. I'm really hoping you guys could see this. The amount of craftsmanship is in here. This is surrounded by corals. Wow, I love this. And lastly, wow, I think this is my favorite so far out of those three I just ordered. Wow, I love the purple, and you can see the detail of the koi fish as well. That's beautiful, just stunning. Oh, look at these babies, eh? Look at these babies. Wow. All cherry profiles. They'll fit in very nicely with the collection. Not as poppin' as my previous koi fish here. It's very subtle. Different patterns of the koi fish. I guess the SD profile is a lot more pronounced. But I do like the subtlety here. It's like one big happy family. I really like it. And yeah, I am trying to strive for like every single color on the rainbow, hopefully, or any color combination. So if you guys have a recommendation of which koi fish I should get next, let me know in the comments down below. But if you really like the series, please subscribe for more. Because yeah, I've been working really hard just to afford all of these things. So yeah, that's the dream. Anyways, I'm gonna put them on my little keyboard here and see how it goes. And there we go. One big happy family. Wow. Stunning.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea,
What does it even mean anymore?